Ayan po, receive ko na. Yay! So, ayan, hindi ko pa kinakabit. Ganito siya pag wala po yung wireless na microphone. Naririnig nyo po yung hangin-hangin sa background at maingay. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ganito naman pag nakakabit na siya. O, diba? Ang linaw. Super clear. So, ayan. Thank you pala sa shop, sa seller ng 52099 shop. Thank you po. Thank you.
So, ayan, just for comparison, this is how it sounds like without the mic. Naririnig nyo lahat ng noise, yung electric fan and all. Para akong nasa dagat, ganun. Pero, guys, sobrang laking difference talaga, as in, this is really, really worth it. Now, this is how it sounds like with the mic plugged in sa aking phone. You can hear no noise at all. As in, kung meron man, sobrang onte lang.
So this is my voice without the mic. What do you think? Hi. So I bought this mic. I think it's cute and it's working. This is me.
Hello, mic test.